Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at the all-new 2024 Kia K8. This is a brand new mid-size sedan from Kia that's aiming to take on established players like the Toyota Camry and Honda Accord. First up, let's talk about the design. The K8 definitely has a sporty and upscale look. The front grille is bold and eye-catching, and the sleek headlights give it a modern feel. The car has a long wheelbase and a fastback-style roofline, which gives it a nice sportback look. Overall, the K8 is a stylish sedan that will definitely turn heads on the road. Moving inside, the K8's interior is just as impressive as the exterior. The cabin is spacious and comfortable, with high-quality materials throughout. The seats are well bolstered and supportive, and there's plenty of legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers. The dashboard is clean and uncluttered, with a focus on horizontal lines that create a sense of spaciousness. The K8 also comes loaded with tech features, including a large touchscreen infotainment system, a digital instrument cluster, and a head-up display. The K8 is available with a few different engine options, including a turbocharged 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine and a 3.5-liter V6. The turbocharged four-cylinder engine makes 290 horsepower, while the V6 makes 373 horsepower. Both engines are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. The K8 is also available with all-wheel drive for those who need it. In terms of performance, the K8 is no slouch. The turbocharged four-cylinder engine provides plenty of power for most driving situations, and the V6 is even more powerful. The K8 also handles well, with a comfortable ride and responsive steering. The K8 comes standard with a variety of safety features, including automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and blind spot monitoring. The car also has a 5-star safety rating from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. The 2024 Kia K8 is a stylish, well-equipped, and powerful mid-size sedan that's sure to appeal to a wide range of buyers. It's a strong competitor to the established players in the segment, and it offers a lot of value for the money. So, if you're in the market for a new mid-size sedan, be sure to check out the 2024 Kia K8. You might just be surprised at how good it is. If you're interested in learning more about the 2024 Kia K8, be sure to check out Kia's website or visit your local Kia dealer for a test drive. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps.